welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the popcorns and shells stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet and a single crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 6 plus 4. Once you have your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 4. And in the 6th chain from the hook, you are going to work a 5 double crochet cluster. So for the cluster, you are going to insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, leave that final loop on your hook, and you're going to do this 5 times. All within the same stitch, so you'll end up having 6 loops total to pull through at the end of your cluster. Then you will chain 1, you will skip 2 chains, and in the 3rd chain you will work 3 double crochets all within the same stitch. Then you will chain 1, skip 2, and in the 3rd chain, you are going to work another 5 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you will chain 1, skip 1, and work a double crochet in the last stitch. So that is row 1. So we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 1 and we are going to single crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 3 and 4. So right now we're setting up just the foundation portion of this pattern. And you want to make sure that your last stitch for the row is actually in that chain wall to give it a nice even edge. So to get started on the repeat, we're going to do exactly like we did with row 1. We are going to chain 4. You're going to skip the first stitch. And in the second stitch, we are going to work a 5 double crochet cluster. Then we will chain 1, skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, and then the 3rd one we're going to work 3 double crochets, all within the same stitch. Then we are going to chain 1, skip 2, and then the 3rd one we are going to work a 5 double crochet cluster. Then, as we come to the end, we'll finish off by chaining 1, and in the last stitch of the row, we'll work 1 double crochet. So now we're going to turn our work, and for row 4, we're going to chain 1, and we are going to single crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Now you want to make sure when you come to your last stitch at the end of the row that you're actually doing it in the chain wall itself. So not in the loop that it creates when we do our chain 4, but actually in the chain itself. I'll show you how to do that. So again, it's actually in the loop, and there you go. So you'll repeat again rows 3 and 4 to your desired size, and this is how you do the popcorn shells stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.